Hello, Tram.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good afternoon, Tram. How are you?
Good.
You're good. It's Sunday, so it's not a busy day, right? Tubig ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you don't have any plans for today, honey? No plans for
No,
today. You're not going out
no.
today or tonight. You're just going to stay at home. Yeah.
Yes.
You see me? I only had class for the whole day. Like for the whole day, honey. Up until this night. Yeah. After you, I have, I think, 40 minutes break. Yeah. And then class again and class again. And I like it. I just don't like the weather. The
Today
weather's
I have
very. Hmm.
today I have today I have a lot of homework because uh 2 weeks later I have a test.
Oh, no. So you need to review more.
Yes.
Oh, test for what subjects, Annie? Like what kind of subjects?
All subjects.
All of the subjects. Oh, no. Good luck, Tram. Is that the midterm exam? Final exam?
Uh it's
Thank you.
final.
Final exam. Oh my goodness. And final? Ah, okay, okay. And after that, it will be vacation, right? Tet. After the exam,
Uh
it will be Tet vacation.
one
Hmm.
is
Ah, honey, your voice is very unclear. Can you change your mic? Can you
yeah.
change your microphone? Okay, try to change.
Yeah.
Yes, that one is better. A while ago, your voice like teacher, something like that. But now try to speak. Try to speak, Chang. Try to speak. Say
Yeah.
hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, that's great. Okay. How's the weather there, honey? Here, it's kind of windy. I think 40% and it's 60% sunny. How about there? Sunny? Okay. Anyway, Tram, we are now going to have our material. We're going to continue with our material. Okay, Tram? Tram? Bow Tram? I almost called you Tram An because I have a next class and it's Tram An. Yeah. Most of the Vietnamese people, honey, you have the same, almost the same names, no? Mm-hmm.
No.
No,
Hello.
yeah, like
Hello.
Bao, the tram, yeah,
Yeah.
the the what else? There's a name. There's a name. Wait. Tuong, Tuong, Fawong. Yeah, yeah. You have almost the same name. And you know what? I think the most famous surname in the world, Vietnamese surname is Nguyen. Yeah. Nguyen, right? Yeah, I know a lot of influencers from TikTok that they're living in USA now, and they're all Nguyen. Most of them are Nguyen. Hmm?
It's surname.
Yeah, it's your surname, right? And there's a lot of Nguyen there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you Nguyen, honey? Are you Nguyen?
Yes.
Nguyen. See, and I have a lot of students, honey. I have a lot of students that their surnames. Most of them are Nguyen. I have Bao. The name of my I have a little boy. I have a student that's a little boy, Tram. Bao Nguyen. Yeah. And then what else? I have wait. Let me see. There's also one. There's also one. Mm. Anna Nguyen. And then Van Nguyen. I have a lot of Nguyen students, honey. Yeah. Like it's so amazing. Here in the Philippines, my dear, our surnames are practically from Spain, like Spaniards before. So the most famous one here is De La Cruz. And the first names are Mary, Jane. Those are like the famous one. Mary, Jane, Princess. Yeah, there's a lot of princess in the Philippines, honey. Okay, you know what? When I was in elementary, honey, I have 6 classmates. They're all princess. Their first names are all princess. Anyway, teachers talking too much. Okay, so now let's have page 8 ramp of our material. Okay, so let's have this one, honey. We are going to ask and then answer the questions using the prompt cards. Okay? So I want you to read this part. I mean, the prompt card.
Walk through our beautiful town, branded tour guided
Guides.
guides.
Tour guides. Okay.
See the museum, market, and castle. Every Tuesday starts Grand Hotel at 10 a.m. Finish with lunch in Park Restaurant. Fee
Oh,
13 pound per person.
very good, honey. So this one is like, what is this kind of, what is this prompt card all about, honey?
A work for tourists.
Yes, okay. Tour guides. Yeah. They're going to have a tour. Yes, a tour package. They're having a tour package, honey. And you've tried this one, right? Walking while there's like a tour guide in front of you, walking too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's start now with your questions, honey. Let's start with question number 1.
Where is the tour guides and when it is start?
Where does? Honey, it's just connected. Okay,
Where
try.
Where does the tour guides and when it is starts?
Where does the tour starts, honey? Where does the tour starts? Yeah, it's just connected. Why are you making 2 questions? Okay, question number 2. What's for question number 2?
What? What? Um,
It's a tour. So they're going somewhere. So what/visit? Make a question.
what does the place?
Don't be scared.
What place? No.
Try. It's okay. Don't be shy. Don't be
What
scared.
place? What place does they visit?
What place are they? Yes. What place? What's your question again, honey? What place does they visit?
Yeah.
My dear. How many people are there? Here. What do you think? Approximately 15 to 20 people, right? Yeah? Yeah. So if we're talking about a lot of people, honey, we don't use does. We use do. Yeah. For example, what are they going to do? Something like that. Does, honey, is just for only one person. Okay? So anyway, what place are they going to visit? Places, honey, places. What places are they going to visit? Let's have number 3.
Is the tour guides open every day?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wait for a while, honey. Okay. Honey, the activity is a tour. Okay? The tour guide is a person. Yeah. The person, honey. Yeah. Okay. The activity that they're going to have is tour. We call it a tour, right? Yeah. The tour guide is the person that guides you. Yeah. So is it okay if we say, is it okay if we say, does the tour guide open every day? So we say, does the tour is the tour every day? Okay? Because we're talking about the tour, not the tour guides, honey. Okay, Tram? Yeah. Okay. Let's have number 4.
Is the tour expensive?
Yeah, great. Is the tour expensive? Honey, how do you ask a question? What's the tone of your voice if you're asking a question? How do you make it? For example,
What?
this. What's the sound of your voice if you're going to ask a question? Can you do it? Honey, if
Again?
you're going if you're going to if you are going to ask a question, you don't make your voice like this or your tone like this. Is the tour guide expensive? Because it feels like you're saying a statement. But if you're telling or if you're asking a question, you're going to say, is the tour is the tour expensive? Is the tour expensive? Yeah. Can you try? Can you try? Try.
Is the tour expensive?
Yes, very good. How about this?
Is the
You.
tour every day?
Yes, that's it. Okay. All right. Let's have the last one.
Uh, Sure. I don't remember how to use those and is.
You don't know how to use does and is? Okay, let me explain that one to you later. Okay? Let's finish the question first. Okay, let's have number 5. Okay, let's have number 5, honey. Is
The
you were telling
is
me about is and does. Okay, let's go. Lunch. Lunch? What is it?
is the tour of lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is the
Tour have lunch.
again, honey, your voice is really, really
Is the tour have lunch?
yeah. Does, honey, does. Okay, I'm going to explain it after this one. I'm going to explain to you the difference of is and does. Okay? After this.
Tour.
Does the tour have lunch? Is Bauhan there?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. So, honey, remember honey, is a form to be, is the form of the verb to be. Okay, so it describes the states of condition, or what something is. Yeah. Like, for example, it talks about the age, it talks about the jobs, it talks about the feelings, or the location, honey. It talks about the location or the state. For example, we're talking if it's expensive. Yeah, we're talking if the tour is expensive, it's the state. So we're not going to use does. We're going to use is. Yeah, we're talking if something is expensive, right? For example, is, we cannot say, okay, like this. Is the iPhone 17 expensive? Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. But if you're going to say, does the iPhone 17 expensive? What do you think? Incorrect, because it's not talking about the state, or like how the price is, or not the price, but the state of a thing. All right? Or if it's expensive or cheap. You understand it, honey? Okay. Later on, I will explain to you how the does works. Okay, but let's answer number 1 first. Okay, number 1. Where does the tour starts?
The tour start at
Where? Okay. The tour starts at
no.
No. We're talking about the place. Here.
At Red Hotel.
Yeah, the tour starts. No, in the Grand Hotel. At what
10
time,
a.m.
honey?
10 a.m.
Yes. Next. What places are they going to visit?
They are going to visit at the cinema, market, and castle.
They're going to visit the museum.
Market, and castle.
Did you say museum a while ago, honey? Not cinema? Did you say museum a while ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, honey. Okay. Okay. Remember, honey, that is used. Is a form of verb to be. Verb to be. Okay. Now, does, honey, is a form of verb to do. Okay. So it asks questions, honey, in the present simple. Do you know what is present simple? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Like this. For example, here. Like this. Does the tour have lunch? Yeah. Okay, that will be my homework for you, okay? My homework for you later on will be, I will ask you to make questions starting with is. Two questions starting with is and 2 questions starting with does. Okay? Later on. After this class, I will message in the GC. Okay, question number 3, honey. Is the tour every day?
No, it isn't. The tour is every Tuesday. Teacher, in Philippines, you have New Year?
Yes, we have New Year, honey, but we will be celebrating on the 31st, December 31. December 31, and then the New Year is January 1. Yeah. When it's 12 a.m., honey, we will we will have fireworks, we will eat our food and stuff. Yeah.
10 days later?
10
days later?
Again? 10 days? 10 days later? Really? I lost the track of the time, honey. Hold on. I will
I
see.
don't
11. 11 days later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, honey. 11. It's 11. 11 days later. How about you? Do you celebrate New Year too? Or just that?
that's in January we have the New Year's Eve,
Yeah. The
but
Lunar New Year.
but in February we have Lunar New Year.
January you have the regular New Year. Yeah. So you celebrate too. And then in during the February you also have another New Year. Wow. So you will celebrate for 2 New Years. Yeah.
But
Wow.
in even New Year's
Mhm.
we can celebrate it in one day, but
Really? Ah.
But-
Ah.
but the main is in February.
Okay. So just like the same to us, honey, we celebrate the New Year only for one day. Yeah, only for one day, honey. No other extensions, no other holidays. Not the same with Tet because Tet you have a lot of days off, right? Yeah, you will be off for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, honey. You will not have class for 2 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, are you excited for it?
Yeah.
Of course. Of course, you're excited for it.
Lucky money.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Really? Really? Oh, I see. You will have lucky money. And that starts on February 14, right? That will be
Yeah.
February 14. I see. All right. Okay. Let's have question number 5, honey. For question number 5, does the tour have lunch?
Yes, it does.
I didn't get that. Can you try again?
Huh?
Hello.
What is it? What is it? Okay. Yes, it does. How do you say it, honey? Yes, it does. The tour has lunch. Okay. Are you now? Why is it so dark?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Is that Siri? Siri! Why are you like that, Siri? Okay. Let's have number 1, honey. Where does the tour starts?
The tour starts in the Grand Hotel at 10 a.m.
What places are they going to visit?
They are going to visit the museum, market, castle.
I'm sorry, honey. And castle again, honey. What places are they going to visit?
They are going to visit the museum, market, and castle.
Very well. Next, is the tour open? Is the tour every day? Yeah. What? Hold on. Why? Is the tour every day? Is the tour expensive? Oh no, we haven't answered here, honey. Is the tour expensive?
No, it isn't. The tour is. No.
Is the tour expensive?
I don't know.
I think it's
Because
not.
I
Maybe
don't
13.
know.
You don't know if 13 pounds is expensive?
Yeah,
Me too. Uh, is 13 dong expensive there, honey?
it's expensive.
Really?
No,
13?
no.
13,
13,
okay. Yeah.
no.
13
It's
pesos
cheap.
too is not expensive. So let's maybe, let's say no.
Yeah.
No, it
Yes,
isn't. How much is
it's
it?
on. It's £3 per person.
3 pounds? 13.
13 pounds per person.
It is 13 pounds
Per person.
per person. Okay. Next, does the tour have lunch?
Yes, it does. The tour has lunch.
Very good. Okay. Right, okay. Let's have this one now. Another prompt. Prompt card. Please read, honey.
Happy Days Club for young people from 12 to 18 years. Every Friday, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. 19 20 Gì? Quên luôn. 29 đâu rồi. 29 Newton Street, just 2 points per week. Games, music, dancing, and lots more.
Okay. What is it all about, honey? What is the prompt card all about?
Club for young people.
Ah, for young people. Yeah, it's a club. Yeah, a club. What is a club, honey?
It's a club for young people.
Is it a party? Party club?
Young. Yes.
Have you been in you're a teenager already, honey. Have you ever been into any parties before?
No.
You've never. I see, honey. You're still not allowed, right? Yeah, you are not allowed to go to any kinds of, how do I say that? Any kinds of parties because you're still young. Okay, let's have question number 1, honey.
What is the name of the club?
Two.
When is the club open?
Three.
Un, un, un. What? What does? Oh, what is? What does people can do there?
We're talking about a lot of people, so it's not does. Does is just for only one person.
What is
Yeah.
people there?
What do? What will? What do?
What do
Okay.
people can do there?
What do the people? No. What will the people do there? Like, what are they going to do there, honey? Yeah. 4.
Where is the club?
Where is?
The club.
Where's the club? Where is the club? Oh, yeah. Perfect. 5.
How cost? No, how much? How cost? How much?
Yes. That's it. But how do you continue it? Continue.
does the club?
Yes. How much does the ticket cost? Okay, so let's answer now, Tram. Let's start with number 1. What is the name of the club?
The name of the club is Happy Days Club.
Okay, next. When is the club open?
It's o it's open every Friday, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. Vienna.
Is your mom there, honey, with you?
No.
What will the people do there?
People play the games, music, dancing, and lots more.
People will play games, listen to music. Oh, I have a stomach ache again. Okay, next. Where is the club? Where is the club?
Club is in 19 Milton Street.
19? 19?
29.
Molten. Honey, is Han also studying English online? Online English?
What?
Is Han
Really?
also studying something like this from an online class? Han? I see. Okay, 5. How much does the ticket cost?
The ticket costs does 2.2 pounds per week.
Okay, let's read your answers now, Tram. Let's start with number 1. What is the name of the club?
The name of the club is Happy Days Club.
Very good. 2. When is the club open?
It is open every Friday, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m.
What will the people do there?
The people will play games, listen to music, dancing, and lots more.
Wow, your voice is really better. Where is the club?
The club is in 29 Newton Street.
19 is really your favorite number. Okay, number 5. How much does the ticket cost?
The ticket costs just 2 points per person.
Okay.
Faster.
Now, you're going to talk about, okay, you are the owner. You are the owner of the Happy Days Club, honey. Okay? So yeah. And you will try to convince me to come there. So you start now.
Today we talk about the Happy Days Club, and the club is for young people from 12 to 18 years. It is open every Friday, 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. It is in 19 Milton Street, and it's cost just £2 per week. You can Play game, listen to music, dancing, and mouse more.
Well, thank you. Very good. Perfect. What's this? Mommy, she found my baby ID picture, honey. I will show you. I will show you. How do I? Oh my goodness, I look like my daughter. Here's my daughter. Say hi. Huy. Hi. Hi, Ate Tram. This is my face when I was a little. Ah! I have such a big forehead. Oh my goodness. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, honey. Let's continue now. Okay, we're done with already with Cat 3 test 4. So now, Tram, we are going to have we just have 2 minutes left. Yeah, do you have any questions, Tram? Do you have any questions?
What?
Do you have any questions? Okay, let me ask you a question. We just have 2 minutes left, honey. Let's don't have the book yet because it's I want to refreshen up your mind. So let's have free talking questions. Here.
Gan. Đợi một tí nữa. Đợi một tí nữa.
Do you always argue with your sister, Tram?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Now, honey, let's have a topic about friends. We just have how many? Okay, we just have 1 minute left. What is that? What is that one?
Picture.
Huh?
Um,
Huh? Your voice is not clear.
Picture.
Say. Say it. Say it. Say it. You can just type it. The chatting box. Oh, we don't have time anymore. Thank you so much, Tram. It's already 3:40. Bye bye, Tram.